first step of this project is to make sure you're working with a square piece of paper. You can accomplish this with any piece of paper by folding a corner up and then cutting off the excess. Once you have your square paper, you're going to fold it horizontally, open it back up, and then fold it vertically so that you have 4 distinct corners. It might help you to mark them 1, 2, 3, 4 going around. And then you're going to fold your paper so that you're only looking at the first square. Once you have that, just draw any design that you'd like in the square, making sure that you do touch the corners and the edges. It can be really any kind of design, as simple as you want. And then you're going to take a black crayon and you're going to mark it. Cover those lines. Make sure it's a pretty thick application of crayon because we're going to transfer it to the other side of the paper after this. So then you're going to unfold it and you're going to fold it vertically again so that 1 goes onto 2. Take a hard edge like the handles of scissors and put a lot of pressure on the paper to transfer the crayon to the other corner. Once you think you've got it, you can check and kind of see maybe where some lighter spots are and go back over it with the handle of the scissors. And then you're going to take your black crayon and you're going to trace those lines again, just to make sure that it's easily visible and you've got a nice thick application of crayon because again we're going to transfer this over. So now we've got 1 on 2 and now we're going to take 2 to 3. Technically at this point you could transfer 1 to 4 at the same time, but it does make it a little bit trickier, so we're going to stick with going from 2 to 3. Get your scissors and start the transfer process again. Again, you can check and see if you've got any light points, or you can just start going over it with the crayon again, because you probably guessed it, we're going from 3 to 4 now. Get a nice thick application of the crayon, fold it over, and start the transfer. Go back over it with the black crayon, and now you've got symmetry on this piece of paper. At this point you could start coloring in all those sections, any colors you'd like. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever is your preferred coloring instrument. Once you've got it all covered in, you're going to cut out your design around the edges. Once you've got it cut out, you're going to get your glue stick, cover the back with glue, and you're going to put it on this backing paper that we have here. Here are some other designs that we've done, and now you have a radial symmetry project.